The Impulsor is a lightly armoured and fast-moving anti-grav assault transport favoured by Vanguard Space Marine forces. Benefit from the same advanced gravitic impulsion technology employed by the heavier Repulsor class chassis. The Impulsor boasts vectored thrusters that give this light grav tank a healthy dose of speed. Its open-back design allows it to transport a full squad of 10 Space Marines swiftly into battle, entirely bypassing such obstacles as trench lines, river deltas, toxic industrial runoff, and the like. For millennia, mankind had lost the secrets to constructing anti-gravity devices, with only a few relics from the age technology remaining. It was the discovery of an ancient STC by the famed Arkan Land that led to a breakthrough in rediscovering and restoring the potent technology to Imperium during the Great Crusade. The ancient Mechanicum and its Adeptus Mechanicus successor was able to once more produce anti-gravity generators and impeller units that, while now nowhere near as elegant or refined as those heretic technologies used by certain Xenos species like the Eldari, were robust, reliable, and could be adapted for use on a variety of hulls, from light reconnaissance craft like the Landspeeder right up to the Astreus super heavy grav tank. After the opening of the Great Rift with the direct sanctum of both Brute Gulliman and as Lord Commander of the Imperium and the Fabricator General of Mars, a select handful of chosen tech priests like Archmagos Dominus Belisarius Cole committed research and development into new Brutavic battle tanks, which led to bolster the battle lines of the Adeptus. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.